Hello and welcome. I know you're here because you want to find natural solutions to your fertility problem. Hi, my name is Michaela and I'm a holistic fertility coach. Today I will briefly talk about PCOS because PCOS is really the disease of the century. Every third woman has it. What is PCOS? Polycystic ovary syndrome is a condition that affects a woman's hormones level. Women with PCOS produce higher than normal amounts of male hormones. This hormone imbalance causes their body to skip menstrual periods and make it really hard for them to get pregnant. The ovary has multi-cysts, so your ovary is bulky, as you can see on the right side of the picture. The ovary is bulky and none of the cysts are rupturing. So there is no proper ovulation, and that's why there is the delayed period. So what are the factors that trigger this? Well, the current medical system is not able to explain the cause of PCOS. They're only able to conclude that the exact cause of PCOS is unknown. However, they could tell you that one factor is obesity, and mainly what's on your abdomen. There should not be a lot of fat because this fat can cause PCOS eventually and it can disrupt your normal hormonal cycle. Obesity, of course, is one trigger, and there could be many other. For example, family history, regular eating habits, junk food, etc. So once you have PCOS, right, the ovary with multiple cysts, your insulin resistance gets affected. That means your body is not burning the fat, and which causes hormonal problems. And it's like this cycle. So you're overweight, you get PCOS, and if you have PCOS, you become fatter. So it goes into this cycle. So for women that have PCOS, it is very difficult to burn the fat because there is hormonal imbalance, and no matter how much they exercise, it becomes very difficult to burn it. Other common symptoms of PCOS are acne, facial hair, uh, hair loss like baldness on the scalp, and inability, of course, to conceive. So I'm not giving you a diagnosis here, but these are symptoms to look out for so you can take action, right? And what are the solutions? What are the natural solutions to PCOS? If you're able to burn a little bit of that fat by eating healthy foods, then the function of the ovary will improve. Also, consider intermittent fasting. If you don't have my ebook, send me a message. I'll forward it to you because it is very, very important for you to know how to fast and what to do in order to achieve good results. Because by fasting, you burn faster the fat and you help your body. So you can help your body further by removing all of the processed foods and sugars. All the donuts, the candies, these are not in your favor. So also reduce the consumption of milk because cows may be injected with hormones, so that does not help you, right? And of course, if you're able to cut down the dairy, that would be beneficial. Eat foods that are more protein, less carbohydrates. Protein, which is the plant-based protein, is the most effective. And like I said, avoid all these soft drinks, processed wheat, and sugary foods. And what you can do is increase the intake of these foods, green leafy vegetables, which are foods high in fiber and high in all the nutrients you need. Don't forget also the importance of your microbiome, the gut health. And I've done presentations on the microbiome, so you can check my previous videos for this information. But just to remind you, repopulate your gut with healthy bacteria by eating probiotic and prebiotic rich foods. And I'm not saying that you should go out and get supplements. I'm suggesting that you need to invest into eating daily um, foods like sauerkraut, kimchi, kefir, all traditional fermented foods, kosher pickles, yogurts made from sheep and goat. These are very, very beneficial and good for your gut health. So, because having a healthy microbiome, having a good gut health, this is the base for your health and fertility. If you haven't been able to balance your hormones and your doctors keep giving you medication to remove symptoms, know that if you address PCOS holistically, you can have balance and you can actually figure out what is causing the cysts, not to rupture. So just a reminder, don't forget that PCOS, and even if we go further to thyroid, these are symptoms of disturbed endocrine imbalance. And what is endocrine? Endocrine is the system that is responsible for all of our hormones. You see how everything is a chain reaction, and skipping over and trying to force your body or trying to trick it into hormonal balance leads to more issues. So, hopefully, this has been useful to you. Wishing you health and fertility.